everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are ready for a ton of cleaning motivation today. We are going to be tackling some everyday cleaning around the house. We are going to clean up downstairs, we are going to clean up the kitchen, and we are going to clean up the bathrooms as well. And I hope that this video brings you all of the motivation that you may be needing to tackle some of the messes around your home. And I am just so thankful to have you here, to have you clicking on my video, and to have you watching. So thank you guys so much. We are going to start in the living room today, and we are going to tackle Laundry Mountain and get all of this taken care of, get it folded and get it out of here so that we can actually straighten up the living room and get it back in order. Laundry is absolutely one of my least favorite chores to do around the house because there's always so much of it. It is never ending, and I don't know why, but I just do not like putting it away. Is anybody else like that? Laundry is my nemesis. I don't enjoy it. I just want to know, what is your least favorite chore to do around the house? And what is your favorite chore? My favorite chore is vacuuming and mopping. I don't know why I find it so soothing and satisfying. I love to vacuum. And since I just got a new carpet cleaner, I'm obsessed with that as well. So I'm gonna take all of this stuff upstairs. I'm not going to put it away just yet because I'm totally that person. I will fold it and all of that jazz and just let it sit for a couple of days because I can never find the time to put everybody's laundry away in the same day. I'm going to continue cleaning up the laundry area and really straightening it up and just making sure that it is all nice and tidied up in here before we get to vacuuming. Before we vacuum, I'm going to wipe everything down in here. Well, not everything. I'm going to wipe some of the things down in here. I'm going to wipe the little coffee table down, and I'm also going to wipe this shelf or the cabinet that we have underneath our TV down and get that all dusted off so that I can vacuum up all of the dust that was setting on there and get that all cleaned up as well. I am going to be using my thieves cleaner today to wipe down most of the things in my house. It works super, super well with a microfiber cloth, and we're just gonna wipe it all down, get it all cleaned up, get all the kid handprints off of the white cabinet because I don't know who thought it was a good idea to get the white cabinet. It was me. But white cabinet and children, not the greatest idea, but it's super easy to clean up. Thank goodness it's from IKEA, and I absolutely love it. It's sleek and modern without being too modern. So I'm going to vacuum up the living room area before moving on to cleaning up the kitchen. This cleaning video is over the course of a couple of days because I just had a bunch of stuff going on and I wasn't able to complete my cleaning in one day. I feel like that's the story of my life lately. I can't seem to catch up on everything, but I am using my Shark Rocket vacuum. It's always linked in my description box in my Amazon favorites. I absolutely love this vacuum. If you have been following my channel for a while, then you know how much I love it and I rave about it all of the time. are going to move on to straightening up the kitchen now, getting it all nice and tidied up, wiping everything down, taking care of any dishes that need to be taken care of, and just giving it a nice quick cleanup and getting it back in order just in time to cook in it again. I feel like that is also the story of my life. I clean up the kitchen just so I can dirty it to cook again. Life with kids, little kids, big kids, any kids, that's just the name of the game these days. So I'm going to wipe down my counters. I'm going to wipe down the island first, straighten that all up, get the outside of the island wiped down as well, and get everything all nice and straightened up and cleaned up in here.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care.
To clean up the sink today, I am going to be using some vinegar mixed with thieves cleaner and lemon oil, and it works really well at removing the hard water spots in my sink that build up in there. We do not have a water softener, and the water here in Vegas is not super great, so everything always gets white marks all over it, even if it's been cleaned. As long as there's water sitting on it, it has a watermark sitting on it. So the vinegar helps break those up really, really well. So if you have harder water, I highly recommend using some vinegar to clean it up. Usually I use Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser, but I've been out and I keep forgetting to buy it. So I'm using vinegar today to clean up the sink. It does a great job and it's a more natural cleaner. We are going to be moving on to cleaning up the stove area because it needs it. There's some crusty old eggs on there and some old pasta sauce as well. And I'm going to use that same vinegar mixture to wipe down my stovetop as well.
Something about you, something about you. Sun goes down and the night sky's falling. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over.
Now that the kitchen has been wiped up for the most part, I am going to clean up my diffuser really quick, wipe it down, and get any of the old water out of it. And then I'm going to refill it and diffuse some Valor and some stress away from Young Living because your girl needs all the stress away with all these kids running around. Well, not all of them. There's only 2 of them, but they've been cuckoo lately. So we are going to put some Valor and some stress away in the diffuser and get that going. The Valor is absolutely my top favorite oil from Young Living because it smells so yummy. But we're gonna wipe down the dining table now as well, get that all nice and cleaned up too, get all the crumbs and caked on food off of the table because my kids don't seem to remember to use a napkin ever. So stuff gets wiped on the chairs and the table all of the time. Anybody else's kids like that? It drives me nuts. But I mean, they're kids. It is what it is. One day they'll grow out of it probably. Maybe. I think.
As long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk.
time to mop up the floors. They are super dirty. We had a random snow night the other night. It was 60 the day before, and then the next night it randomly started snowing and there was snow blowing all over. So everything got super dirty in the house from wet paw prints and just tracking in dirt and all of that stuff. So the floors desperately need to be mopped up. And I'm going to be using my O-Cedar Easy Ring mop. Love this mop so much. You can find mop refills on Amazon so that you're not using the same mop top that it comes with, and you have multiple of them to use. They're super affordable too. This is like one of my favorite cleaning items. I love this mop and I highly recommend it. And then I'm just mopping with 2 capfuls of Thieves Cleaner because it does a great job and it smells really great as well.
It's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
Now let's move on to cleaning up the dreaded potty, cleaning up the bathroom. One of my least favorite chores because kids using potties, it's just gross. You know what I'm talking about if you have kids. It's just not a good time. They always need to be cleaned. So we're gonna clean them up. I took the toilet seat off to clean underneath the little snaps. I am having a brain fart right now. I cannot remember what they're actually called. And then we're going to clean up the toilet. Then we will move on to wiping down the sink area and the mirror as well. And then we are going to move on to cleaning up some of the things upstairs as well.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Are you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but are you always unaware? Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm the young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it.
We are going to clean up the kiddo's bathroom before moving on to cleaning up my bathroom. And we are not going to be cleaning the bathtubs today. That will be in my next video where we really get into cleaning the bathrooms. This just needed a general wipe down. I had to get ready to cook dinner and stuff. This time change is completely throwing me off. By the time afternoon rolls around, I literally feel like the day just slips away from me so fast and I cannot keep up. It goes from noon to 6 p.m. really quick and I'm still trying to get used to it being light later. I'm having a really difficult time getting with the program this year. I don't know why. I really just don't understand it, but the time just slips away from me. So I was cleaning up the bathrooms and I realized that it was almost dinner time. So I didn't get around to the bathtubs. I just cleaned what really needed to be cleaned, which was the mirrors, the sink area, and the toilets. But next video, we will get to the showers and the bathtubs and really get in there.
You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but are you always unaware? Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm the young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware.
We are going to do the same thing in my bathroom, clean up the toilets, clean up the sink area, and clean up the mirrors. And then we are going to vacuum my bathroom and then move on to vacuuming up the kids' bathroom and get all of the hair off of the floor and get that all nice and cleaned up for everybody. My bathroom was disgusting because the sink area had beard hairs all over it and all of my makeup products and everything just all over the place. It was a hot mess. I haven't cleaned my bathroom for a hot minute. So we are going to work on cleaning that up and getting it all nice and taken care of.
You know they want me, but the sweet, sweet talking, pretty eyes, pretty lips. You know they told me you will fall too easily, but guess I like a quick fix. It's just not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead, go and break my little heart, yeah, break my little heart. I don't care, no, I don't care, either way I fall apart. You know they say that I should get out quickly, don't matter if I wanna stay. You know they talk about you when you're not here, but they don't even know your name. It's just not that I
So I'm just going to be using my same Shark Rocket vacuum to vacuum up my bathroom and then vacuum up the kiddos' bathroom as well. Like I had mentioned earlier, we're just getting all of the hair and the dust and everything off of the floor and getting that all cleaned up because it needs it. I need to mop the bathrooms too, so I will be doing that in my next video, so be on the lookout for that. And we are going to get everything taken care of, really clean these bathrooms, deep clean them, and also clean upstairs, our bedrooms, the loft, and all of that stuff too. My little one was not happy. She woke up from her nap extremely cranky and she was mad that I was cleaning her bathroom. So do not mind her. That is why she is there. She was very upset with me. She was crying and yelling at me because she didn't want me to clean up the bathroom. You know, toddler things, teenager things. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and gotten a ton of cleaning motivation from it. I am so thankful to have you all here, and I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if you have not already done so. It would mean the world to me to have you stick around and continue watching my channel. So thank you guys again. Have a super amazing day, and I will catch you in the next video. If you are in need of more cleaning motivation, at the very end of this video, there are some videos that you can click on the screen and check those out as well. Thank you guys again. Have a super wonderful day, and I will catch you in the next one.
don't care, no, I